Welcome back to your favorite destination for the latest in futuristic military innovation, defense technology, and next-gen combat vehicles. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the world's most advanced war machines. Let's dive into today's spotlight, the BOMNJQRIC P4S, the elite armored vehicle shaping battlefield superiority in 2026. The BOMNJQRIC P4S 2026 isn't just another armored platform, it's the result of a decade-long collaboration between advanced defense labs, private tech firms, and military experts aiming to redefine modular warfare. From its structure to its software, this vehicle is designed for rapid response deployment, hybrid tactical operations, and adaptable terrain missions. It's built for the wars of the future today. Let's start with what catches everyone's attention. First, the design. The P4S features a low-profile, angular silhouette that enhances stealth capabilities while offering a strong defense against IEDs, ballistic threats, and anti-armor munitions. The armor uses fourth-generation composite plating reinforced with adaptive nanomaterials that can dynamically react to impacts by absorbing and redistributing energy across the hull. It's not just strong, it's intelligent armor. Mobility-wise, the P4S boasts a hybrid propulsion system combining a turbocharged V8 diesel engine with two high-torque electric motors on each rear wheel. This gives the vehicle an edge in acceleration, fuel economy, and silent mode operation for stealth missions. Whether navigating urban war zones, mountainous regions, or dense forests, the independent suspension system and AI-controlled traction adjustments allow it to adapt in real time. Let's talk interior. Inside, the BOMNJQRIC P4S is a command center on wheels. The cockpit features a 360-degree panoramic HUD powered by augmented reality, providing real-time data on terrain, enemy movement, and mission parameters. Multiple camera arrays feed into the onboard AI system nicknamed Sentinel Core, which assists the crew with navigation, threat detection, and target locking. Autonomous mode allows the vehicle to operate unmanned for recon and high-risk missions, with remote control options available via satellite uplink or drone relay. The crew compartment is designed for maximum efficiency and comfort during long missions. With ergonomic seats, integrated biometric monitoring, and noise-canceling tech, the P4S ensures the operators remain sharp, alert, and ready for action. Capacity-wise, the P4S can carry up to 6 fully equipped troops or can be reconfigured for cargo, medevac, or command and control operations in under 15 minutes. Let's talk firepower. The P4S is armed with a remote-controlled turret that mounts a 30mm automatic cannon, capable of engaging both ground and aerial threats with pinpoint accuracy. It also includes dual ATGM launchers on each flank and a top-mounted mini-drone bay that can deploy reconnaissance or suicide drones on command. Its active protection system intercepts incoming projectiles mid-air, neutralizing RPGs and guided missiles before they can do any harm. But what truly sets the BOMNJQRIC P4S apart in 2026 is its battlefield integration. It is not a standalone machine, it's a node in a digital battlefield grid. The vehicle can communicate in real time with other units, UAVs, satellites, and Command HQ. Data flows seamlessly, allowing coordinated strikes, instant intel sharing, and network-driven strategy implementation. Cyber defense protocols ensure encryption at every level, protecting mission-critical data from hostile interception or sabotage. The P4S also features a modular mission kit system, meaning parts of the vehicle can be swapped out depending on operational requirements. Need amphibious support? Attach the water propulsion kit. Need enhanced ECM for electronic warfare? Swap in the signal jamming array. Its modularity makes it incredibly versatile for militaries looking to do more with fewer vehicle types. One of the biggest highlights in the 2026 edition is sustainability. The P4S uses smart energy storage to harness solar energy through its integrated surface panels, reducing its dependency on fuel convoys during long deployments. Maintenance is also streamlined thanks to self-diagnosing systems and predictive analytics, which alert operators to potential failures before they happen. already being tested in training exercises by elite units, the BOMNJQRIC P4S is set to become a cornerstone in future conflicts where speed, adaptability, and digital warfare will dominate. Its deployment is expected to begin later this year across several allied forces, with real-time feedback shaping the next generation of battlefield superiority. Thanks for watching today's in-depth look at the BOMNJQRIC P4S 2026. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more content on next-gen vehicles and military tech, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the daily drives. We've got much more coming your way, from hypersonic weapons to robotic infantry systems, so stay tuned. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead of the future.